Find or read reviews that people are talking about Contemood portable charcoal grill with carry bag. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Portable and lightweight. Our Contemood foldable charcoal grill is compact and easy to carry anywhere. Perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, picnics, or backyard BBQs. It allows you to make campfires, barbecue, stew, boil water, and grill skewers effortlessly. High burning efficiency. With a four-sided windproof design, this grill offers excellent wind protection. Ventilation holes on the bottom and sides ensure good airflow, enhancing burning efficiency. The detachable grill grate is easy to clean with water, making maintenance a breeze. Durable materials. Made of 201 stainless steel, our portable grill is sturdy and can hold up to 10 kilograms. The 304 stainless steel barbecue grate is food grade, ensuring safe outdoor cooking. Enjoy grilling without worrying about the weight or the material quality. Unique design. The grill's expandable sides can accommodate skewers and seasoning bottles, freeing up your hands for cooking. The charcoal compartment's ventilation design allows for easy charcoal ignition. In just minutes, it will serve you delicious sausages and juicy steaks. Easy to clean. Please do not use steel balls to clean the baking pan, in case of scratching the non-stick coating. When cleaning this grill after use, please wear gloves to prevent accidental injury. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.